Welcome back. It happens to be an outside broadcast from the antenna regarding the flotilla. Yes, Greta Thunberg's love boats. Now, the farmers in has tried to make these people reason on this irresponsible nincompoops, because looks like they ignore the warning of the Italian government regarding going down to that part of the world. Like I said in the other video, they were offered a neutral port to deliver the stuff, you know, all the humanitarian aid, which they have intentions of going. The fact is, Gaza is off limits. It's Israeli territorial water, whether you like it or not. And also the Spanish Navy, they sent one of their little boats as well, while the Italians have sent 2 frigates, I think they have, of the new generation, to escort these vessels until they're still in international waters. And then we've got Belgium and France asking them to protect their citizens in this type of love boat thingy bob. And also we've been hearing from the Israeli military, they are ready to board these vessels if they enter in territorial waters of Gaza, which is under the jurisdiction of Israel, basically. Well, Greta and these lefty idiots, the PD, here in Italy, members of the trade union of the CGL shop stewards, what the fuck are you doing down there? Looking for trouble? Making you believe you're goody two shoes, because minimum one thing, you're entering their patch, you're going to get arrested, and if you end up some type of Israeli prison, it's guts for guarding. It's your tough shedder, it's your tough fuck. And really, what did the Italian government put at our disposal to escort these vessels, which are civilians, which are not recognised by no type of humanitarian organisation? They're all private people who probably funded around about 600,000 euro here in Italy for the Italian part, which is about 1/3 of all the money which have been scrounging so far around the world. You know, if you're going to do humanitarian things, leave it to the professionals. The Red Cross, even the Israelis, nor even journalists will let men inside Gaza, let alone that. But what makes you more special than them to enter in this, what you might call it, war zone, which is heavily militarised as a naval block? Because the Israelis, any vessel which invades the territorial waters, it's their jurisdiction. They'll just, you know, board it or fucking sink it. The fact is, these people said they had been attacked by drones. And we're talking in international waters here. But, you know, the Italian Navy and the Spanish Navy, they can do very little when these boats enter in territorial waters of Gaza, which is under, like I said before, under the jurisdiction of Israel. don't expect anything good will come out of this thing, because, you know, we've got stupid and people go running around making them believe they're good do-gooders, but they're not.